All right. Some of the tips when setting up a feeder is I'm just going to show you how to do a number 10 in the landscape, what we call the landscape mode. First thing I do is I bring this in and I check my foot pressure. You should be able to pull it back out. One of the keys is on the foot pressure. A lot of people tend to put too much pressure on here, which makes the thing work a little harder. So just lightly pressure. You should be able to push it in and out about, a little bit easier. Then what the next step is to set the side guide. So I go tight with one, and then what I do is I go ahead and I back it off. And I don't know if Colin can see, but I got like about a 1/16 of an inch on each side. You want the alignment guide to do its thing. If it's too tight, you're going to see intermittent feeds. So the next thing you do is you go ahead and put your stack in, but what I do is I fan them like this so I can get them in, and then just drop them, and then I bring the wedge in so they just start to lift and you got a little bit more of an angle downward. Then we tighten that up. And then the other thing that I will do is once you get that set, you want to adjust this side guide over, and don't go too far, meaning don't go super tight. Let the alignment guide do its job by pulling it over. So I like to go about a 1/16 of an inch or so, maybe even an 1/8 of an inch. And then what I will do is I'll actually turn this on and I'll run a few first, because when you're going to get your jams, it's usually the first couple. So there we go. And then we'll look, if Colin can zoom in on there, what I do is I make sure that it's nice and tight. See how it's staying nice and tight against that side guide? It's set. It's as easy as that.